Hi Year 2 parents and carers, here is a short video all about number fact fluency in Year 2. This is the last objective from the Maths National Curriculum from the addition and subtraction area that our previous videos haven't quite covered yet. So pupils should be taught to recall and use addition and subtraction facts to 20 fluently and derive and use related facts up to 100. So using our number facts and our number knowledge is going to help us with really quick mental calculations. Here you can see children from year 1 really would start working, and some in reception would start working on number bonds to 10. And these are the pairs of numbers that always go together to make the number 10. So 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, 5 and 5, and we can swap those over. You can see 1 and 9 or 9 and 1, 2 and 8 or 8 and 2, 3 and 7 or 7 and 3, 4 and 6, 6 and 4, 5 and 5, swapped over would be the same, 5 and 5 makes 10. Children would learn first of all to work on these systematically using objects or using colouring to help them. So 1 and 9 make 10. 2 yellow and 8 green make 10. 3 yellow and 7 green. 4 yellow and 6 green. 5 yellow and 5 green. 6 yellow and 4 green. 7 yellow and 3 green. 8 yellow and 2 green. 9 yellow and 1 green. 10 yellow and no green. So children go from being able to create and make number bonds to 10 to remembering them off by heart. Once children know their number bonds to 10, this will help them with their number fact knowledge to 20. For example, I know off by heart that 1 and 9 equals 10, and here you can see that 1 add 19 makes 20. So you can see I've added a 10 in the tens column and 20 is 10 more than 10. So you can see I can start to relate and use number facts to help me with other areas of my addition. I know that 8 and 2 make 10. So I know that 18 and 2 make 20. So it's all about using different facts to help me work out other areas or other addition sentences. Again, once we know our number bonds to 10 fluently, this will also help us with our number bonds to 100. So I have a blank 100 square here. I've got 10 rows with 10 boxes or squares in each row. I can work systematically to show my number bonds to 10. So that would be 10 yellow and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 green squares. Now I know that 1 and 9 make 10. And here I've showed 10 yellow squares and 90 green squares make 100. I can see that these number facts are related. So my number bonds to 10, all I did was multiply each of my numbers by 10, and that gave me the same answer. So number facts really do help. If I wanted to do 20, 10, 20, 20 green, and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 20 yellow plus 80 green equals 100. And I know that 2 and 8 make 10 because I know my number bonds. So I can see the numbers here are really similar, but I need to multiply these numbers by 10 to make my bonds to 100. So my bonds to 10 help me with my bonds to 100. I know that 3 add 7 equal 10. I'm going to show this with my bonds to 100. 10, 20, 30 yellow, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 green. 30 add 70 equals 100. I've multiplied each of my number bonds to 10 by 10, and that's given me a number bond to 100. Let's try one more. 4 add 6 equals 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 40 yellow, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 green, 40 yellow and 60 green make 100. So the numbers there in my number bonds to 10 multiplied by 10 give me my bonds to make 100. So really, once I know my number bonds to 10 really well, I can start to apply them to help me with my bonds to 20 and with my bonds to 100. And once I know these well, my mental addition is going to be quite quick. You can just see here I've got some other examples of number bonds there to 100 and how they're shown in different ways. Once I know my number bonds to 100, it will help me to predict or to estimate what my answer should be close to, and then it gives me another layer really with my working out to be able to check through my knowledge. So for example here, before I even add these two numbers together, I know that 5 and 5 make 10. So I know that 50 and 50 are going to make 100. And then I have some ones to add on. So I know that my answer is going to be close to 100. 50 and 50 make 100, and then 1 and 3 make 4. So my answer is 104. Again here with my taking away. 100 take away 60. Well, I know that 60 and 40 make 100. So if I have 100 take away 60, that's going to leave me with 40. And then I can take away the 4 ones. I can do 40 take away 4, which leaves me at 36. So I can use my number bonds to 100 to help me make sure that I'm in the right area. My number is close to 40, but I needed to remember to take away my ones as well. So this just helps me to work out quicker and more mentally. Thank you.